Okay, video number 2. I know it's annoying. Let me turn off that. Take the key out. Here's the brake switch, and here's the switch right here. And you take out this blue connection. Hopefully the camera can see this. Got that blue connection there. And this is just a counterclockwise turn. Kind of popped out. It does have that brown connector. You don't need this. I mean, I don't think you do. So as you can see, it's identical. Just have to put that puppy back on, like so, and then reconnect it. Let's see this. There you go. It's the right orientation. It's that simple. Instead of the dealer charging you a lot of money for this, might want to try this first, because this was like a $12 or $13 part, even less, Amazon. So let's see if that works. Fire it up. Get the camera out of the way here. And just put in there. Yeah, now it works now. Yeah, again, this part I replaced back in 2019, I think, something like that. So, man, it's about 7 years ago. I wasn't expecting it to fail that soon, but you know, these 2007 Tundras, they were the first model in this generation, so they can be temperamental when it comes to stuff like that. But the way to get yourself out of trouble is by taking this tab out and then getting, like, it's, you know, like a pen or a screwdriver, pushing that in, put the brake on, and then put it on park. That's how you do it. I gotta clean up my dash here a little bit there. She's an oldie, 106,000 miles. Just changed the oil, and she loves to run. Have a great day, everybody. God bless. Click subscribe.